did.
Well, did
David,
you say
hands.
what you're doing?
We are doing fireworks.
Didn't you show your face for us?
We are doing fireworks. Dang it. Hotty, hotty,
And you
hotty.
didn't even say your name?
No, they know who I am. Here we go, here we go. Here, hold it that way. Let me see. Woo! Hands, David, on this side, the wind. No, this side. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't see all these. That's amazing. Come on. Here you go.
You're nice. You didn't even say Happy 4th of July.
It's not 4th of July yet.
Happy 4th of July.
David, hold this for a second and point it right at that. The match.
It's not working.
Until we light it.
Hello.
Taking over the camera.
Which, God help us.
They can't light the fireworks.
You know what? We're doing one with a wick on it.
She didn't want. She told the fail that she wanted to do another
David.
one. There's no way.
Wait, Sarah.
Whatever he said, don't listen to him. And I'm sorry if I look very ugly.
Ah, that would work if I went like that. Nope.
Can't see. Sorry.
Why is that 2?
David, it's 1. Now cork
Let me
it.
get it.
Dad, can I borrow your lighter? These cheesy ones don't work.
And
Lighting it down there. David, put your hands down there. Come on, why isn't it lighting? Clearly too windy to do this.
Why'd you do it?
Ah, no! I just. Alright, let's do it on the ground. Where is it?
I just.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just. We haven't even got one lit yet. It's kind of sad.
I'll stay.
We're trying to, but it's not working. We've been out here for. But we have to go. We're just doing like 1. It's too windy.
If you need to do one.
We'll do some on Saturday.
Got it.
All right, move.
All that.
Wow.
All that, you know.
All right, there's like the smallest wick. I wouldn't trust it.
That's why I won't touch it.
It probably fell off. It probably came up from the wind.
Oh.
Don't touch it, it's hot.
No, it's not. It's just that you have a.
Yeah, because those lighters are too cheesy. All right, never mind. It's too windy. Just put them away.
That's why I won't do it.
Spencer, just leave it. It's fine.
I won't make that work.
It's too windy.
I just had it working.
Yeah, but the wind must have blown it out.
Let's try this.
No! That puny one won't lit, then that big one isn't gonna go. I'll record it on Saturday. All right, it's fine. Just leave it.
Hey, that was smoke bomb.
We have just found one of my old smoke balls. Isn't it pretty? I know. Ah, my thumb looks obese. My beast.
Here's paint at that look.
And this is when the smoke ball pooped.
I stepped on it. That's what made it.
And David stepped on it.
That's what made
And
the
here
paint.
is one of my old bloom flowers. I got a hole.
I stepped on it.
David also stepped on that. Okay, so this has been going on for about 5 minutes, and let's just say it's a firework fail. It's way too windy. So, bye.
Sorry, it's so done. I'm so sorry.
So yeah.
I beat up pedals.
Oh wait, I dropped that.
What?
It might go off on
I
you.
would drop it.
Just leave it.
Oh,
And
yeah.
this guy was a dud. Sorry. So yeah, it was a fail. We'll be doing some more on Saturday. But
Oh, wait.
maybe it might not be a fail.
Got it.
You get burned.
No.
That scared me. Okay. That's probably all we're gonna do.
That's so
Don't forget to comment on almost firework fail.
was not a fail.
Bye. Don't forget to comment.